And so for number 4, this is going to be a bit of a unique situation. We have x minus 6 as one denominator and x plus 5 as another denominator. Now there's nothing to factor out of either one of those. And so what we need to understand here is that that is one factor and that is the other factor. And to get a common denominator, the only way to get one is going to be to multiply them together. So we have x minus 6 times x plus 5. And we're going to get x squared minus 6x plus 5x minus 30, which simplifies to x squared minus x minus 30. So our common denominator is going to be x squared minus x minus 30. Now the important thing to understand there is that really what we're doing is we're just multiplying both of the denominators together to get to that spot. And so the way that I'm going to think about this one actually is with that yellow bar right there, and not multiply it out, because it will just be easier for me to see personally as I do this. And so what I mean by that is we're going to say I got 3 over x minus 6 times something. We'll make a denominator of x minus 6 times x plus 5. And again, I could have written x squared minus x minus 30 here, but how am I supposed to know what I would need to make it x squared minus x minus 30? That would be confusing. So I'm going to choose to leave it in factored form, because now it's very easy for me to see that I already have an x minus 6. All I need is an x minus 5, or sorry, an x plus 5. And so I'm going to multiply by x plus 5. And so 3 times x plus 5 is 3x plus 15. The second fraction that I've got is 4 over x plus 5. We need to multiply that by something. That will give us the denominator, x minus 6 times x plus 5. Now this time, I already have an x plus 5, so I need an x minus 6. We'll multiply by x minus 6. And 4 times x minus 6 is going to make 4x minus 24. And my thing disappeared. I'll be right back. Okay. And so now we can add those two things. We've got 3x plus 15 over x minus 6 times x plus 5 plus 4x minus 24 over x minus 6 times x plus 5. And combining like terms, 3x and 4x will make 7x. 15 and negative 24 will make negative 9 over x minus 6 times x plus 5. Now there's nothing I can factor out of the numerator. The denominator is already factored. We see there's nothing that can cancel. And so the only other way that you could do this is you could multiply the bottom out, which would give us that x squared minus x minus 30 that we saw earlier. And I do believe that Alex will take either one. I know that I will take either one on the exam, so either one of those will be an acceptable answer for me.